me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this minty green hair color. What I use today is the Adore Sweet Mint. So yeah, this tutorial is very easy to follow. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now, and also be sure to follow me on Instagram if you're not already. So all I used is some Vaseline, the dye, and a brush and a glove. So first I started by putting the Vaseline all around my hairline and on the tops of my ears, just because sometimes if dye gets on these places it can stain. So this dye looked kind of blue to me, and I wanted my hair to come out a minty green. So if you guys watched my video that I just posted on how to remove or lighten color from your hair, you saw that I said that I left my hair yellow because I was dyeing it this green color. And you know how when you learned in art classes that when you mix colors together, like yellow and blue will make green, the yellower you bleached your hair will determine how blue or green this look will come out. So in the end, you're gonna see that the tops of my hair where it was whiter came out bluer, and the roots of my hair that are yellower came out greener, just because of how it works on the color wheel. So keep that in mind when you're trying to determine how you want the color to come out, because the thing about Adore colors is that they come out exactly how they are portrayed, so you may have to do some mixing, so which is why I left my hair yellow. Now I'm just gonna comb through to make sure that the color gets all the way to the roots.
Round 2, fight!